Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh and it's a honey miso sweet potato shroom jumble, which is a lot to say, but this is delicious. I've been getting their vegetarian meals for years now and they're some of my favorites. Everything is labeled in the bag, super easy. A lot of the times the ingredients are like measured out for you, so you just gotta throw them together. The first thing you always want to do is wash the produce and chop and dice everything. So I added to a pan sweet potatoes, onions, and mushrooms, added some olive oil and some of their fry seasoning, and then salt and pepper. And I roasted that in the oven. Toss that around really well. And then I have some water measured out that I'm adding the rice to. Adding some salt. And I get that on the stove so it can start heating up. Then I have the zucchini in a different tray. Again, olive oil, salt and pepper, and that fry seasoning. Toss that together. That's going to cook for less time than the other ones, which is why that's on a separate pan. And then I'm going to make the sauce. So there's two different sauces. The first bowl, I'm going to take some grated ginger, some lime juice, honey, and miso sauce concentrate. I'm going to mix that together. That will be put over the veggies when they come out of the oven. And these are already pre-measured, which is nice. So I'm going to mix that together, set it aside. Then I have another small bowl. I added the mayonnaise, some chili sauce, a squeeze of lime juice, and then you do add some water to it, a teaspoon at a time, until it's a runny, drizzly consistency. And by the time you're mixing that together, the rice should be done. I added some butter and lime zest and mixed that up so that the butter could melt and everything was well incorporated. Then I took the veggies out of the oven and I drizzled that miso concentrate mixture with the honey all over those and tossed those around. And then all there's left to do is assemble everything. So I have the rice in a bowl, my veggie mixture on top. I'm going to drizzle the chili sauce and the mayonnaise over it. And they also gave some sesame seeds to sprinkle on top. This is really good. And this is why I like this company, is because I typically would never think to make this for myself. And it's absolutely delicious. So if you'd like to try anything from HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.